Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do this just as a brief, like a FYI, what's up video, giving you advance notice right away. I'll just cut to the chase right away. We'll get this out of the way. I've had a lot of comments saying that the prior 11-13 episode, I believe it was number 32, had some kind of a bug in it, and a lot of people had trouble viewing it. Some people couldn't get much past like the 7-minute 20-second mark. And what I'm going to do is try a re-upload on that one. I'm going to take the old one down because YouTube will not let me upload a duplicate of a video that's already on file. So I'm going to take the old one down and I'm going to re-upload the same episode tonight. I've held off on doing it for a few days because it's about a 14-hour upload time is what it takes my old clunker computer to upload a video of that length. So, and that's if I lock that thing down and I'm not doing anything else with it. Anything else I do to it in that time further slows the process. So I finally have a window where I'm not going to need it. So we'll take 32 down. The channel's going to lose credit for the 17,000 views that are on it now, but I also want to have people, I want people to be able to see all the videos all the way through, so I think it's worthwhile doing that. So that re-upload's coming tonight, and I want to let everybody know that's what's going on. So if you click over there and you see it's down, that's why it's been taken down. And then when I upload the same episode again, I know I'm still going to have people in the comment section saying, "This is a rerun, what are you doing?" It's just what's going to happen. I've put the word out there so everybody at least knows. Look for that to be coming soon. Episode 32, try number 2. The rest of what I want to talk about here, my 1F479 second attempt at a pre-combustion chamber tool finally came through. Here it is right here. As you can see from the wear marks on it, it's far from new old stock. It's been well used, but it looks like it's still going to do the job. Cylinder head sitting right here. The Evapo-Rust soak really cleaned that thing out, and as you can maybe see from the oily substance still in there, we've just finished an extended petroleum soak on it too. So look for another try at getting those other 3 stuck chambers out of that. Another thing I want to address, part of the FYI, I'm going to be getting back into pre-combustion chamber work here, and a lot of people say, watch what Marty T did, and he got those out with a butane torch and some brake clean. Like I've said in the comments a few times, that's kind of like comparing apples to oranges. I'm working on the D3400 pre-combustion chambers, which are what these are. Big clunkers, one-piece design, and they take this humongous tool that goes in there to loosen them up. Marty T had the newer D311 style engine, and that's what these tools are for here. This is the tool that he used. So place that next to the one I need to use. Like I say, apples to oranges. He had much different style pre-combustion chambers. His were of a 2-piece design where this whole upper part that seals with an O-ring to the top of the head, that actually comes off separate from the lower part. This is what engages with the lower part. So you're only really fighting these stuck threads down here. You're not fighting all the stuff at the top, which I think is where I'm running into my trouble. The rest of these tools are also for those chambers. This plug goes down in the bottom, and then this forcing screw bolt goes in on top of it. That's what pulls the upper section off of those, and then you just put this in the lower section, thread that out. So then when you reinstall it, this goes in the lower section, you thread it back in, and then this piece threads in the top of that, and this nut is what forces that upper section back down. And it's got a whole bunch more O-rings and more sealing surfaces, but it's a much more manageable style pre-combustion chamber to remove than these old one-piece D3400 ones. So when we get back into that, if I get any more reminders to go look at Marty T's channel, just a FYI, I do follow Marty T, and I know I've watched all of his stuff, and I'm just letting you guys know so that in the future, you'll know that this is a lot different from that. So that's pretty much everything I wanted to cover in this video. Be on the lookout for the second try at episode 32. If it's still buggy after this, honestly, I don't know what else to do. It doesn't seem like it's on my end. I haven't had any trouble viewing it with any device or any computer, but we'll give it another try. Hopefully the people who had trouble the first time can see it all the way through. We're about halfway done with recording episode 33. That should be coming, well, I need to probably put in another good couple days to really get that wrapped up if everything goes well. And I just wanted to give you guys another quick update on the cylinder head. We have the right, proper, and correct Cat Factory tool, heavy duty. So hopefully when we give that another try here in the next few days, we'll actually get something done on that front too. Thank you for watching, everybody. Hope to see you back again.